Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your home away from home. Richmond Palms Estates is a dream. Private, pristine, and professionally maintained. From the pool and clubhouse to the private beach access and the famous Plantation Cove, where you can be entertained by a myriad of concerts and events. You will have all Jamaica has to offer at your doorsteps. Currently an investment property to Airbnb Super host. This three-bedroom, two-bathroom house with a room in the attic that is currently being used as an additional bedroom is being offered fully furnished and turnkey for your next investment or family home. The owners have also added two solar hot water heaters, a sprinkler and gutter system. Richmond Palm Estates sound good. Plus, it is a gated community. Call today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 440,000, Jamaican 69.4 million, Canadian 629.8 thousand, Euro 404.1 thousand, or 341.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.